My name's Naveed, and I'm the CEO of Andiamo, and we have built an AI and 3D printing platform for 3D printed orthotics like this, which are traditionally handmade and can take up to 6 months to come back, and we're able to do it in under a week and fully automate the process. We were at the stage when we met MedCity where technically we knew how to do what we needed, but we needed the next kind of level of evidence, the next level of kind of academic rigor. And so working with MedCity was to help us get to that next stage. Through the Collaborate to Innovate program with MedCity, the big challenge we overcame was that evidence because clinicians needed it, investors needed it. They didn't want to just hear our opinion. They didn't want to hear anecdotes. They needed empirical, independently verified data. And that's what the program allowed us to get. The main way MedCity helped us was two things. One was the funding, which was absolutely critical to be able to allow us to work with that institution, but also it was the structure of that program and making sure that there was advice and support available to us, because working with academic institutions is really hard, especially when you're a startup. You don't understand that world, but MedCity had the expertise to help us through that. The project and the MedCity Collaborate to Innovate program was a tipping point for us. We were in the middle of raising money and getting ready to grow, and completing that project and getting the evidence out of it was one of the things that allowed investors to invest in us and allow us to grow. So we went from 7 people to 26 full-time. We opened up a second office in Europe, and we're now getting ready to open in the Middle East.